YouTube, it's your girl Ashley, and I'm back to do another video. And to all of my new subscribers, hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and to watching this video. Thank you guys so much, it means a lot to me. And to all of my OG subscribers, thank you so much for tuning back in. So today's video is going to be my 2-week/3-week update on my Deeva extensions virgin hair. And I did make a previous video about this hair. I did my initial unboxing video and I also did an initial install video on this hair. So if you haven't seen those videos yet, I will link them down below so you can go and check them out, so you can get a bit of a background about the story, and then you can come back over and watch this video. So it will be linked down below, or I will have it linked up in the card section. But anywho, this is going to be my 3-week update about the hair. And let me tell you guys, I'm having absolutely no problems with the hair. Like, I am loving this hair so much. So first things first, as you guys can see, I do have it curled. This hair is freshly washed and curled. I washed it this morning and I curled it, and this is what the curls look like. Very pretty, and it curls really easy and really nicely. I did use my Conair curling wand to curl it up on 400 degrees, and it went perfectly. It didn't burn the hair, any crazy stuff like that. It went really well. So I was actually on vacation in Jamaica for 10 days, so I was actually able to really test out the hair in different environments and see how it reacts and how it acts when it's in those certain conditions. So when I was in Jamaica, it was obviously really hot and humid. There was times where my hair was sweating out, and the hair still performed really well. I went to the beach, saltwater beach, and I actually didn't wash my hair. Like, to be completely honest with you guys, today was the first time I've washed my hair since it's been installed, because I wanted to give the hair the test, a real test, to see how it would act being in different types of conditions, getting wet and things like that. So yeah, I went to the beach. I was in saltwater beach. I went to the pool with chlorine and everything, and the hair was still really good. The only thing I would say is that I did notice that my ends started to get a little bit dry and everything, but nothing that a little bit of product couldn't fix. And now, since the hair is washed, the ends are really nice and healthy looking. Now, in terms of shedding and tangling, I am getting a bit of shedding, and that could be because of a numerous amount of things. It could be because, one, my stylist did cut some of my wefts around the top so that the hair would lay flat, and also I did dye the hair black, so that could be a factor. Also, when I went to the beach and to the pool, I did kind of, I might have irritated the hair with those chemicals. I didn't wash it right after, so that could also contribute to why the hair was shedding. When it comes to tangling, the hair is not tangling at all. I might get a few snags in the back depending on if I'm moving around a lot or if I'm sweating like I was in Jamaica, but it doesn't really tangle a lot. I might get a few snags, but that's mostly it. And yes, I'm absolutely loving the hair. I'm not having any issues. Now, this is the Brazilian straight hair, and I have in 3 bundles. I have a 14, 16, and 18 inch. I have no closure. I have my natural hair leave out at the top, and I'm absolutely loving the hair, you guys. This hair is just amazing. I'm absolutely loving it. Make sure you guys go and check out Deeva extensions. I will leave all of that hair company's information down in the description box, so make sure you guys go and check them out and follow them on their social media websites and everything like that as well, because I am feeling this hair and I'm feeling myself and all that good stuff. So yeah, I wanted to keep this little update really short and sweet. I will come back with a 1-month review or update as soon as the 1 month mark passes by. That's a bit of a tongue twister. But yes, I will come back and do another update when the time comes. And yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, then please give me a thumbs up, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified when I have another upload. Bye!